got to loosen these up a little bit in order to move them. Okay, you got to poke the holes in the plastic. Okay, we're going to put in a new motion detector spotlight here. Bought one at Home Depot, about $13, $12. It didn't come with any bulbs, so I'm going to have to use my bulb here for now until I buy some. I was thinking about buying them online. And then here's the new light right here, and it comes in this little box, and it's got the motion sensor right here. And these holes here, the ones you end up using, you're going to have to cut them through either with a little drill bit, or just do what I did, and I did cut this one through with a little screwdriver. So, pretty simple, white wire, hook. Of course, I already turned off the electricity. And this unit came with 2 new wire caps and a bunch of screws. So I'm going to try the new wire caps. And spin them so they're a little tight. One turn. White one. Get these so they're a little tight on the ends. Okay. And I did already put this rubber washer through the wires. The old one was still on there, but it came with a new one, so I'm going to install the new one. And there's only 2 holes in it because you're only going to use 2 screws, one there and one down here. Okay. It came with 4 screws, 2 different styles, so I'm going to try and see which one actually fits in the ears, and this one seems to fit, so I'll use these 2 that came with it. And I've already screwed one in with the rubber washer. The only reason it's screwing it is because the holes had to be enlarged with the screwdriver, so, and then push it through the hole of the rubber. Push the wires back in. And all that's left is to screw the pair of screws right into the holes there. Okay, there it is. I put in the old light bulb, and I had to drill 2 new holes because the box behind the wall that this was setting in was 3 inches instead of 4 inches. So with that said, I'm gonna turn the power on and see what happens. And, okay, power's on. Wow, I'd say that's working. Alright, and then a little adjustment down here. This is on test. 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5, and 10. Let's go 1 minute. Maximum. And it's off. Oop. Turn it back on. Okay, I have it on, so let's see how the test works. Just gotta make a little movement. Oh, there it goes. Came right on. Alright. And ow! And that was it for installing the motion detector light. There it is.